Creating a simple budget in 5 easy steps involves tracking your income and expenses, setting financial goals, and adjusting your spending to meet those goals. Here are the detailed steps. Step No. 1. Calculate your monthly income. Include all sources of income: salary, net income after taxes, side jobs, freelance work, part-time jobs, investments, dividends, rental income, other, alimony, child support, government benefits. Steps. List all income sources. Add them up to get your total monthly income. Step number 2. List your monthly expenses. Categorize your expenses. Fixed expenses, rent/mortgage, utilities, car payments, insurance, loans. Variable expenses, groceries, entertainment, dining out, clothing, gas. Occasional expenses, gifts, vacations, medical bills. Steps. Review bank statements, credit card statements, and receipts. Categorize each expense. Sum up the total for each category. Step number 3. Set financial goals. Short-term goals. Save for a vacation. Pay off a credit card. Build an emergency fund. Long-term goals. Buy a house. Save for retirement. Fund children's education. Steps. Determine specific, measurable goals. Assign a dollar amount and a timeline to each goal. Step number 4. Compare income and expenses. Analyze. Compare total monthly income with total monthly expenses. Identify if you have a surplus, income, expenses, or a deficit, income, expenses. Adjust. If you have a deficit, identify areas to cut back. Prioritize essential expenses over non-essential ones. Step number 5. Create and adjust your budget. Draft your budget. Use a spreadsheet, budgeting app, or pen and paper. Allocate a specific amount for each category of expenses based on your income and goals. Monitor and adjust. Track your spending throughout the month. Compare actual spending with your budgeted amounts. Adjust categories as needed to stay on track. Steps. Write down your budget plan. Track expenses daily or weekly. Make necessary adjustments to avoid overspending. Tips for success. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Use budgeting tools. Apps like Mint, Inab, You Need a Budget, or Excel spreadsheets can help. Review regularly. Revisit your budget monthly to adjust for changes in income or expenses. Stay flexible. Life changes, and so should your budget. Adapt as needed. By following these steps, you'll create a clear and manageable budget that helps you achieve your financial goals.